Hello YouTube, it's Craig with Casworks Woodworking. Today I'm going to build this additional dust collection for my table saw. Let me show you how I did it and some of the mistakes that I made along the way.
The main component of the dust collection needs to be clear so I can still see what I'm cutting. So see here I'm starting to cut the plexiglass into size, and then I will eventually glue it together with some super glue. I did discover, however, the super glue was not as strong as I thought. It said it would cure in 30 seconds. However, it was in clamps for almost an hour and a half, and you'll see later on how that still didn't fare too well. I needed to drill a hole through the back piece of the plexiglass to receive the tubing for the dust collection. Here you see I'm cutting a 2 1/4 inch hole. However, the pipe is larger than that, so eventually after I cut this I'll take it over to the sander. The sander was working well until I tried to lift up the piece. Let's be safe out there, people. I felt the best way to be able to move this out of the way was to attach it to the crossbeam that I have going across my shop. And I decided to use some drawer glides to make it go up and down. You'll see then how I make it stay up, but it seemed to work out rather well. The last thing to do is to attach the vacuum hose to the back of the dust collector. As you can see, this is where the super glue fails. Pop the piece right out. I had to attach some brackets to the back to hold that piece in place. That seemed to work out pretty well, and it didn't really obstruct the view. So I think that it'll last a long time.
Thanks for watching. Have a great week.